way she see me, she wanna take a flick. Come to my house, then I make a strip. I'm a player, you on the bench. I said I might just fuck your bitch. I said I might just fuck your bitch. I said I might just fuck your bitch.
I said I might. You know I'm thinking about
fuck
it.
Your bitch.
I'm pondering the decision.
I said I might just fuck your bitch. I said I might.
Easy. You ain't wavy, there's no beats around. Please sit down. Stretch Armstrong ass rappers out here reaching now. Pay attention, listen up, I'm teaching now. Hit your brakes, you're screeching now. Pull 2 bitches for the threesome, eat her down. So have no mercy on a person with a bitch who's thirsty. Because firstly, you will lose if it's you verse me. Hop on Google, you can search me. Been this person since the nursery. Bow down, you're not worthy. Damn, her ass is fat and boobs are perky. Should I hit that? May or may not. Still on the fence. Snatch if I want her, I'm willing to bet. Bet the house if I ain't still in it yet. By the time she meet me, you don't feel I'm a threat. Really? You feel the regret. Bitch, I'm a thief, don't you see these gold teeth? I'm as evil and cold as a villain could
when
get.
When she see me, she wanna take a flick. Come to my house, then I make a strip. I'm a player, you on the bench. I said I might just fuck your bitch. 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 I said I might.
Look, dog out, ain't nothing changed. New city plus new hoes equals new pussy just to entertain. Capping out, I want the whole thing. Let her swallow up the whole thing. Freaky hoes got no shame. If you throw that back, bitch, I won't complain. Haul in the club on commando. She a trap girl, met her ass at the bando. Pouring up more than she can handle. Ones on the booty, man, RP Nando. Down, let the little bit take that like did it. You know what it is every time I'm in the city. Slums in the bit, let the shit get gritty. Whole lot of